I think here.
Oh, Indonesia.
Yeah.
Are you
Yeah.
sure?
Yeah, because I usually travel and I do volunteers. Because volunteers is like I go to a place and instead of getting paid, they give me house and food.
Oh,
So I usually do that. But here in Indonesia, since my sister is coming, I didn't have time to do that. So I want to come back to do that because it's a way to get more in touch with local people.
yeah.
And since people here are very friendly, I think I don't just want to like stay in a hostel and then go to tourist section and go back. I want to be more in touch with local.
Yeah.
So yeah, I want to go back for sure. And I think there's so much things to see. It's very like big, unique. There's what's the island? There's the island that is close to Malaysia.
Yeah.
Oh, Malaysia.
Malaysia, yeah.
I've been there. I was there before.
Oh, yeah.
I can speak Malaysia because I am
You can
very
speak
near
Malaysian.
culture with me.
I can say selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Yeah.
Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi.
But for welcome, selamat datang. Welcome is
Selamat
datang.
datang.
Yeah. For selamat pagi is good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Okay.
Terima kasih.
Yeah, that's
Thank you.
Oh yeah, how about Indonesian words? Do you know many words Indonesian? No.
I don't know.
Yeah, maybe you
Can you teach
can
me?
like
of course.
thank you,
It's
terima
like,
kasih.
Ah, it's the same as terima kasih.
Yeah.
Oh.
Same in Malaysia.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, same.
Terima kasih. But I hear people saying just kasih.
Kasih.
sometimes.
Oh, kasih.
Oh,
Just
terima kasih.
terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih, right?
Yeah.
Terima kasih.
It's fun.
And you said you joined the volunteer, and how to join the volunteer? Actually, I want to join the volunteer, but I don't know how to.
Yeah,
Join.
how to join?
It's this specific is an app, and then it's called
An
Word.
application, huh?
Yeah, Word Packers.
Mhm.
It's very simple. You just pay.
Okay.
You have to pay. It's like 20 US dollars.
Mhm.
It's not that cheap, but once I can get like I can save a lot of money on accommodation. Because then I can stay like in Malaysia. I almost didn't pay for accommodation. Malaysia was very like cheap for me.
Yeah.
Like it's expensive country, but it was cheap because I was working a lot. Like in
Yeah.
Langkawi, there's
Langkawi,
my-
yeah.
I was there doing housekeeping.
Yeah.
And then I went to Georgetown. I worked in a hostel,
Yeah.
reception. And then close to Kuala Lumpur, I worked in
Kuala
a,
Lumpur, yeah.
a sustainability place.
Bushmeal.
Yeah, and then it was very nice.
Very good. Yeah. How long did you join volunteer?
Since I started the trip.
Ah,
Yeah.
so if you're a traveler, you will join the volunteer.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, that's so good.
Nice.
Your hobby so amazing.
Amazing. And you are alone. I
Yeah.
proud of you. You
Yeah.
are brave.
It's sometimes it's hard.
Yeah, sometimes
As
it's
a
hard,
woman
yeah.
traveling alone, sometimes it's hard. But
Sometimes happy.
yes.
Yeah.
And for later, I wanna trip like you because I wanted to try many country for like to
Go
trip.
around world.
Yeah, look around a lot. And do you have like what I need for prepare for go to
Tips.
a trip in the world? Do you have
Tips.
like something for me?
See,
Tips for us.
Yeah.
Ah.
Tips and trick if you
Yeah.
travel alone. Yeah.
yeah. I would say don't be afraid.
Yeah.
Even though
Don't be
like
afraid.
it's a little bit scary to go out of your country, but if like your English is good, you're
Yeah.
good to go. You can like you can find your way because yeah. If I would go out of Brazil and
Yeah,
only
Brazil.
speak Portuguese,
Yeah.
no,
But
it
you can
wouldn't
also
work.
speak English, right?
Yeah. So that's good. Yeah. So I think that's my tip. Don't be afraid, and I like to travel very cheap. So I only eat like local food. I think that's
Oh.
also a really nice.
So make
thing
your
to
money
do.
short.
Yeah. And you can travel for longer. That's why I can travel that much.
Ah, yeah, I see. In the Brazil, use American English,
Portuguese.
use English same.
No, it's Portuguese.
Oh, Portuguese.
Yeah, only Portuguese.
Oh, like I know one song like do you know the famous like Ella? Like that.
Isn't it? Yes.
I know this. My friend always make this video in the TikTok.
Sis, maybe
You like
you
that?
can speak for Tegas one sentence
one
or
word,
one word.
Okay. Oi, meu nome é Luísa, eu sou do Brasil.
Wow!
What's the meaning there?
How about thank you for
Obrigada.
Obrigado.
Obrigado.
Obrigada.
Obrigado.
Obrigado.
Obrigada. Obrigada. Wow.
So,
Yeah.
obrigado.
Obrigado.
Easy, obrigada.
Easy, yeah. I think terima kasih was harder to learn.
Yeah.
Yeah, Brazil is hard.
I will remember it.
What is special in the Brazil?
I think places is the beaches. We have very famous beaches. And we have carnival.
Ah, yeah.
Carnival,
Brazil,
Brazil.
yeah. It's like a big party in the street.
Yeah.
And we have the music, as
Yeah.
you know.
Ella. And Neymar from
Neymar, yeah,
Brazil,
Neymar.
right?
Yes.
Neymar.
But football in Brazil is not that good anymore because some years ago we were very famous for football.
Yeah.
Now it's Argentina is better.
Yeah, Argentina.
Yeah, you heard about Argentina,
Yeah, I
right?
know.
We have a fight with
Yeah.
them because we used to be the better and now they are the better.
Yeah.
And the Brazil have many place for playing of football.
Yeah,
Brazil?
it's
Yeah.
very big in Brazil.
I ever see in the media, social media, have many like the place for playing football anywhere.
Yeah, that is
Like
true.
maybe 70% they are like a football like that.
Yeah.
Have many people
Yes,
like
no,
football.
there's. Yeah, I think most like young kids, their dream is to be a big football player because they have Neymar.
Yeah,
Oh,
Neymar,
yeah.
yeah.
Like he's good football player, but not good as person.
Yeah.
But yeah, there is a lot of kids want to do the same, and then they play football. It's a big thing in Brazil. You like football?
When I was child, I like it for right now
No.
because I ever like broken my leg. That's why I cannot playing football.
Okay. Yeah, that's fair.
Because I ever like jump from the tall place like that and jumping like that. That's why my leg is broken.
Were you doing parkour?
Parkour.
Yeah, like a parkour. Because when I was child, I like a jump like that. And
Yeah.
from a ladder, jump and jump. After that, my leg is broken.
Yeah, no.
You like watching
Very
football?
Mm, not so much. I'm not that big of a fan of football.
I also like watch movie. I watch
What
football.
movie do you often watching?
Movie?
Yeah, movie.
Favorit?
Favorite
Your favorite?
movie.
I don't know. I haven't watched many lately because I've been traveling, and then there's
Yeah,
There
I
is
cannot.
there is no time for watching movie, right?
yeah. I'm trying to remember last one I watched, but I can't.
Animation, like what?
Like what?
I like animation. Do you like animation?
Yes, I like animation.
Do you like gamers?
Animation.
Game?
Game
you like?
animation? No, that much. No, not that much. Game, no. Yeah.
And what thing special from Indonesia
You like?
do you like?
Or you often
Yeah.
listen?
One special thing from Indonesia. I think that you can find tea everywhere you go.
Yeah.
Iced tea.
Yeah, I
Oh,
see.
I see.
I
Yeah.
love it.
You love ice
love
cream.
it.
Yeah.
You can buy anywhere.
Literally anywhere.
That's
And
so
in Brazil
fresh.
it's not common.
Oh.
So that's why I really like it.
In your country there is no ice cream.
There is, but it's not common.
Not
Like,
common.
Oh.
Here you go anywhere, I see.
Oh.
I the ice cream.
If you hear there is
store
ice cream.
and ice cream.
I see.
And what is your culture shock if you come to Indonesia? What is culture shock?
From like I was in Malaysia, and I think Malaysia is it's more like, how can I say, chill.
Yeah, chill.
And then when I came here, it was more like, whoa, a lot of motorbikes and a lot of people, and I was not used to it at
Ah,
first.
yes.
But because I arrived in Jakarta and then like a lot of people were coming to me and like, photo.
Photo.
And I was like, oh my god, so
Because
many
you're
people.
Korean.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there were so many people and people asking me to interview and stuff, and I was like, but then
my
now I'm used to it.